this class we are going to discuss about Indian position and extension. Location. Geographically, India is located in the northern hemisphere and it is at the center of eastern hemisphere. It is a peninsula situated in Southeast Asia. The mainland of India extended 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude and 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. The Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degree north, passes through the middle of the country. Children, this is one of the most important location. Sometimes it will ask in your examination also. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands extended further southward and added to India's latitudinal extent. Lakshadweep, located in Arabian Sea. Indira Point is southernmost point located in Nicobar Island, and Indira Col in Jammu Kashmir, that is northern tip of India. The land mass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometers. That means 32,87,263 kilometers square. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. And India is the 7th largest country in the world after Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers. The total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 kilometers. India is bounded by the Yangtze Mountains in the northwest, north and northeast. South of about 22 degree north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degree. So because of this, east-west extent appears smaller than the north-south extent. There was a time lag from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh of 2 hours. For example, if in Arunachal Pradesh 10 am, on the same time in Gujarat it will be 8 am. Time along the standard meridian of India, that is 82.5 degree east longitude or 82 degree 30 minutes east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of the day and night as one moves from south to north. Neighboring countries of India. Pakistan and Afghanistan are to the northwest of India. Nepal, Bhutan and China are to the north. Bangladesh and Myanmar are to the east. Maldives and Sri Lanka to the southeast. Sri Lanka is separated from the mainland of India by Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. Administrative divisions. India is a democratic republic, keeping in the views the primacy of regional languages and following of constitution as made in our country. Whereas we are following regional languages in our states. India is divided into 29 states and 8 union territories, which includes our national capital territory, that is New Delhi. Rajasthan is the largest state, Goa is the smallest state. Thank you.